All right, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Big 10 Traffic 26 coming from Dawood Islam and through Warrior Plus. So if you're not familiar with Warrior Plus, it's a platform that you can go and find digital products to sell as an affiliate marketer. So Dawood is somebody that is respected in the Warrior Plus community. He's been doing this for a long time, has a lot of different products available that he has produced over the last few years. And normally he comes out with a new product about every other week. And this is this week's product that we're going to talk about today. And I'm going to let him do the talking on some of it. So stick around for that for just a second. So everything we talk about here, just so you know, there's a disclaimer in the description area. We are not guaranteeing any particular items as far as specific amounts of traffic or lead generation and or sales. This is all for educational purposes only. So biggest ever traffic offer that Dawood is putting together here, and he's going to explain to you that he's put out a similar product to this a couple, 3 years back, and it was one of their top selling products. And in the world of affiliate marketing, traffic is everything. This is the type of traffic that you could visualize as going down the World Wide Web superhighway and seeing billboards and signage out there. So this traffic is directed for top of mind awareness to your product or brand that you are selling. So just make sure you understand how that works. He has 10 different websites that he is networked with. These are, I do believe, they're all his platform, his websites that he sends his traffic through on rotators. This is going to be a brand new rotator to get in on, and it is a very affordable rotator to be on. I think there's going to be like a one-time $10 charge, and stick around with me till the end. I will show you how to get a 50% discount on this. It's probably like $9.95 and then 50% discount down to $4.95. And also for another traffic source, if you purchase this from me, I'm going to put a link down in the description area for Proactive Mailer. And Proactive Mailer, you can go sign up for a free account, send me your username on my email, and I will get you 40,000 credits to help promote your product, or you may want to try to promote this product as well. Dawood's pretty good at allowing people to have the affiliate link, and normally it's at least a 50% commission, and he may even have a step up in this platform where you could get 100% commission. I haven't gone all the way through it yet, so I'm not sure if that's there, but most of the time he usually has an offer for 100% commissions within each of his products, so be on the lookout for that. And without further ado, let me get Dawood rolled up here, and you may have to adjust your volume a little bit. A little tricky sometimes recording to the computer from the sales page that we are listening to. We'll be listening to here. Let me see if I can get this going for you.
Welcome to Big 10 Traffic 26. Now, when we launched the original version of this product about 3.5 years ago, it quickly became our second best ever selling product of all time. And the reason people liked it so much was that it gives you daily traffic to any URL of your choice from 10 completely different sources. That's 10 different standalone traffic rotators that your URL will go on. Now, because your URL is being seen in so many different places, it's almost impossible for you not to get at least some traffic every single day of the year. And that's why people loved it first time round. So now we're back with a new and updated version, but we've completely changed the package of rotators that you get to update them to the most recent traffic releases that we've made, and also the ones that are currently attracting the most traffic. Plus, of course, we've created a completely brand new rotator that's currently lying empty for this launch, Big 10 Traffic 26. So there's no links at all on that rotator at the moment. It's waiting for you to add yours. So you will get traffic from all 10 of these different traffic sources every single day of the year. You can see them all listed underneath on the sales page, but they include our all-time bestseller, Place Your Link 26. They include Big Monster Traffic 25, which was our bestseller last year. They include things like $1 traffic time, $1 unlimited traffic, Traffic Maniac, Crazy Traffic Bundle. As I said, you can see the full list underneath, and there are 10 in total. But the thing to remember always with this one is that unlike some of the other products where you might be on just 1 or 2 traffic rotators, because there are 10, that just locks in the fact that your URL will get traffic every single day. Because if it doesn't get traffic from 1 of the rotators, 2 of the rotators, even 5 of the rotators on a particular day, there are still 5 more that are sending traffic to your URL. So it is a complete no-brainer, folks, because you know, as close as you can get to a guarantee, the guarantee is there that you will get traffic every single day with Big 10 Traffic 26, because there are just so many different places that it's coming from that it's almost impossible not to get traffic. And this is all proper, real traffic, not bots. There's no AI involved in this product at all. It's proper manual traffic that's sent to your link. So we can only keep it at the launch price for a short period during the launch. It's going to go up after that, because this is, in this day and age where traffic's becoming harder to get, stuff like this is real gold dust. So do yourself a massive favor, grab your copy of Big 10 Traffic 26 today and start receiving traffic to any URL of your choice as soon as tomorrow. Click the button below, jump on board, and I'll see you inside the members area.
All right, perfect. What you're going to need to do is look in the description area for the link to grab this traffic package. Also, we'll have it down in the comment area. And just don't forget about the bonuses, that there may be an opportunity in the package itself to get 100% commissions if you decide to be an affiliate and sell this product as well. And that if you do buy this product through myself, that just go over to Proactive Mailer. I'll leave that link in the description area also, and get a free account over there. Send me your username on the email. It'll be provided again in the description area, and I will get you 40,000 credits to help advertise either the products you're working with now or possibly this package as well. So with that said, let's get on out of here. Have a great weekend, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.